Good morning. That was an amazing night of sleep, and now our hostel has a free breakfast, so we're gonna go check it out. Taylor and I would definitely agree. And so would the ants. So today is our last morning in Chiang Rai before we head to the border town of Chiang Kong and make our way into Laos. But before we do that, our beautiful hostel actually has free bikes, and we're gonna take a little bike tour of the city. I don't know how a beach cruiser is gonna hold up in Thailand, but we'll make it work. Is this our road again? I think we're in the way. I guess so. I wouldn't call this city bike friendly, but we haven't died yet. Oh my god. Oh god, oh. Tay and I just swerved to try and cross the street and we got honked at. It's all good. But now she's in silence because she's a little mad. We'll give her some time to recover.
No, I don't want it to be on camera. Don't. Sorry, Mom and Dad. I just about died. And we made it back to our hostel if we can only cross the street.
I knew we'd make it back. And I knew Tay would get over it. Love you, honey.
Get over it?
Love you, honey.
That person almost killed me. Get over it.
It's time to head to the bus station and get on the bus to Chiang Kong. Laos, here we come. All right, back at the bus station, found our bus to Chiang Kong.
Only 65 baht to go 2 hours to Chiang Kong. Good deal?
Yeah.
65.
So the bus comes complete with air conditioning, in-seat massage, complimentary food and drink, and models. So this bus actually goes to two places. It can take you to before the city, which is where people immediately can go to Laos from here. But we're actually going to do the option where you can go to Chiang Kong and spend the night, and then we'll go to Laos tomorrow. We also read online to always sit in the back of the buses if you can, because you get more wind. Score! We are now walking down the main highway to our hostel, and today marks a very special day. It is the first day in over a week that we have our own room. In fact, for the next 8 nights, we have our own room.
Fail.
So we got really cocky and we just walked
10 minutes the wrong direction.
10 minutes the wrong direction. So what should have been a 15-minute walk is now okay, correction, we walked 15 minutes the wrong way. And so what would have been a 15-minute walk is now going to be a 30-minute walk back, which means we will be walking for 45 minutes along a highway. I'm not liking this as much as I was 10 minutes ago.
Update. We are now 10 minutes the right direction this time.
We're still not back to where we started. Okay, let's go.
The adventure. We made it. We can see the sign. We got some good exercise in, so let's go check it out.
The hostel is called Sleeping Well. I hope that's a sign for tonight.
It's a little tough, but it'll do.
All right, we've landed. This place is, it's nice. We like it. We've got some floor beds.
It's really cool.
Hanging lamp. It's like zen. It's got like a nice glass sliding door. AC. I'll take that. Oh. And now we're gonna walk you through our journey for tomorrow. Okay, so we are staying here in the city of Chiang Khong. Directly across the river is the country of Laos. Until several years ago, the way to cross the border was by boat from this point here, just directly across to here, but they have since closed that and opened what is called the Thai-Laos Friendship Bridge. So instead of just being able to go directly across, we now have to take public transportation from our hostel here all the way down this road, get to the Thai border patrol, go through the border, then we will need to take a bus across the river into Laos to here, and at that point we will go through Laos customs, we will get our Laos visa, and then we will need to find a tuk-tuk or other form of transportation all the way up the river to the town of, I'm going to butcher this, I think it's Huay Xai. From here we will go to the docks and we will buy our slow boat tickets. Our first day will be an 8-hour boat ride down the river to a small town called Pak Beng. We will spend the night there, and the next day we will have another 8-hour boat ride down the river to the city of Luang Prabang in Laos.